What's up, y'all? It's Jullien Gordon from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily, and I just want to show you really quickly how I keep myself and my contractors on the same page when we're doing work on a specific unit. Literally, in order to stay on the same page, you need to put the vision on a page. When you're communicating in writing and in words, a lot of stuff can get lost in translation, and so in order to stay on the same page, I literally just put the images of the things that I want, and I make sure that all of that is aligned, right? So I post this in every single room, right? So here I'm letting them know that this is how I want the tile laid out. I don't want it just all in the same direction. I want up, down, up, down, up, down, left, right. And then here I'm showing them that the shiplap is not going to be across, right? It's not going to be horizontal, it's going to be vertical. So I lay out everything in the images. I go print them out in color so that we are aligned on the colors and everything like that. You do not want your contractors having to play creative, right? You want them to focus on the execution of your vision, not creating the vision. You are the visionary, you are the CEO, and you're the one that's putting it all together. So I do this for every single room. You can see that I've also done it here for the kitchen. So I found the closest imagery to that which I'm seeking to create, and I post it so that there's no mistakes as we go on this journey together towards completion. All right, so that's just a quick little tip when you're doing construction. If you want to keep everybody on the same page, you literally have to put it on a page so that everybody can see the same things, because you may say one thing and an image that pops up for the contractor is this, but you were thinking this, and now they've done all this work, then you have to take it out. You don't want any of that. You don't want any confusion. You want crystal clarity, and images are the best way to stay clear and on the same page. All right, so if you want to learn how to do this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com. That's multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll show you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals just like this 5-plex that I'm in right now. And again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com. So if you're doing any construction on a home that you've purchased or your own home, make sure that you use images, right, so that everybody stays on the same page. I hope you're all well. Much love. Peace.